Well, I'm guessing there's little chance anybody's ever going to have to make these things, except me. I had this micro switch, that's a sensor switch for the pump kit, for the vacuum pump kit that I sell. And because of the way that the switch is mounted on the wooden block, it has to clear this standoff right here. So it's got to have this funny bend in it so that it all right, get your hand out of the way. It has to have this funny bend in it. Let's see if I get in frame here. Looking at these things backwards. Has to have this bend in it so that it clears the standoff. And it also has to have this loop. Has to have this loop on the end for the string. For the string that gets connected to it. This string gets connected to that, which gets connected to the transmission. And I had a bunch of these left over from the previous company that was making these sensor switches, and I'm running out of them, so I had to start making them myself. And I ran into a problem trying to figure out how the original manufacturer manufactured this loop. I don't know if you can see this. How well you can see this. This is one of the loops that they made. That's one of the styles that they had. And then they also had this style of a loop. And then they also had this style of a loop. And in trying to figure out how they made these things, I tried a number of different things. Anyhow, I ended up making a tool. This is actually a punch tool that's used for marking metal and whatnot. And I modified it a little bit. I drilled a hole right here. Take a piece of piano wire. That's the right diameter. It's 28 and a half thousandths, which is how big this groove is right here. It's 28 and a half thousandths. Fits down into there. And I take that and I put it down into the hole. I bend it over. I try to stay in frame here. And then just turn this around. Till it goes at least far enough around there, and take it out. Clip off the end. And there you have a beautiful loop. That's it.